Curious about what the warning lights on your 2024 Cadillac XT4 dashboard mean? Wondering how to navigate the instrument cluster effectively? This guide will help you understand each indicator and keep your XT4 running smoothly. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced, user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Climate control maintains your vehicle's interior temperature and air quality for optimal comfort. The steering wheel is the primary control interface that allows a driver to direct and maneuver a vehicle.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, seatbelt warning light, super cruise light, anti-lock brake system warning light, electronic brake force distribution system warning light, parking brake warning light, vehicle ahead indicator, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, lane safety indicator light, engine oil pressure light, forward safety warning light, stably track off light, performance shifting light, traction control system, security light, cruise control light, high beam indicator light, auto stop indicator, door ajar light, adaptive cruise control light, lamps on reminder, front passenger seat belt reminder light, automatic high beam light, engine coolant temperature warning light, pedestrian ahead indicator, service electric parking brake light, traction off light, curve speed control light, tire pressure light, driver mode control light, passenger airbag status indicator, adaptive forward lighting light, second row passenger seat belt reminder lights, gear shifting light, all-wheel drive light, low fuel warning light, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.